Alright, so in the previous lesson, we created a simple driving game. What we're going to do in this lesson is create a top-down space shooter similar to Galactica or asteroids, but maybe we won't have it shoot asteroids, we'll have it shoot spaceships. So let's begin by creating a new project by going up to the right-hand corner and clicking on New Project. Then let's go ahead and select 3D Core. And then for my project name, I'm just going to go ahead and name this Space Shooter. So I actually named it Spaceship Game. All right, let's go down to Create Project. Now that our project is open, let's go ahead and add a nebulous or space background to our environment. Our scene right now has a default skybox that comes with Unity, and it actually reacts to the directional light. So if I rotate this, you can see here that it'll slowly switch from night to day. This is really cool, but we want to do something a little bit more spaceshipy, maybe with stars and all that good stuff. So let's see what's free on the Asset Store. So go up to Window at the top here, and then go down to Asset Store. Now you're going to be prompted that we have to go online. Go ahead and click that button, and that should open up the whatever your default browser is, and it'll direct you directly to the Asset Store. All right, so here's our Asset Store. You can see they're having a sale. Inside of the search for assets here, go ahead and type in Skybox. So you can see here that it gives us a lot of different skyboxes, and each one has a specific cost value. What we want to do is scroll down to somewhere in the middle of the page and look for pricing, and just bring this all the way down to 0, and then press the arrow. You can see here we get a bunch of different. This one looks pretty good to me. It says Starfield Skybox. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and click Add to my assets. And go ahead and accept their terms of use. Now, I already have my project open, so I'm going to go ahead and click in Open in Unity. And I'm going to select Always Allow and then hit Open Link. Now, if for whatever reason this doesn't pop up, just redo the last few steps and go ahead and click Download. And I'm going to pause the video and let it import. Now that the project is downloaded, let's go ahead and hit Import. So you can see here that these are all of the assets that are located within our package. I'm going to go ahead and click Import here. All right, let's go also to, in our package manager, go to Unity Registry, and I want to download one additional package, and that's Pro Builder. We're actually going to learn a little bit about modeling in this class, and we're going to be using Pro Builder to model our spaceship. So go ahead and click Install to install the Pro Builder package. All right, once installed, let's go ahead and close our package manager, and then I'm going to right-click on Asset Store, and I'm going to go ahead and close that tab. Now, let's go ahead and change our background. So I'm going to go to Window, and you can go down here to Rendering, and then you can go to Lighting, and you can see here's a bunch of different options to adjust your lighting setup. If you look at the Environment tab here, you can see there's a default skybox. Go ahead and click on this little target reticle, and you can see it brings up a couple different skyboxes that are there. As if we scroll around, you can see there's like checker. Give it a little bit of time to load. We're looking for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and double click that and then close this out. Now if I hold Alt and the left mouse button, I can rotate around. Now you can see that we have this beautiful skybox so that for our spaceship to fly around in, which is pretty neat. All right, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll begin to model our ship.